Good morning and Jain students. Today we are discussing the questions related to COMET. And on the questions related to COMET, we have many questions which are related to RS Agrawal as well. So let's try the question. I'm going to begin my question from the question which is related to simplification. The question is 343 multiplied by p to the power minus 4 upon 7 to the power 2 multiplied by 98 multiplied by p to the power minus 8. Now, as we all know, when we have negative power, we can simply have the power in positive when we have reciprocal of it. Okay? So, when we have reciprocal of any number, you can get the power positive. So, p to the power minus 4, if it will come in denominator, the power will become positive. And which is p to the power minus 8, when it will come in numerator, then the power will become positive. Now, 343 you can break the number as 7 to the power 3. 7 to the power 2 is here in the denominator only, and this is 98. Now, I have broken up the number in the simplest way how much I can. Now, you are knowing this is 7 to the power 2 and this is 7 to the power 3. So, this will get cancelled and we will have only 7 left. Now, p to the power 4 and this will get cancelled, so it will have only power 4 left, because here we have 4 times p, it means p is written multiplied 4 times p into p into p into p, and here it is written multiplied 8 times. So 4 times it will get cancelled, we will have remaining 4 times left. Now here we have 98. Now this 7 and this will get cancelled, we will have only 14 left. So the answer would be p to the power 4 upon 14. This is the answer for this particular question which we have done just now. Now next question. Next question it is asking from us is, by what number should minus 7 to the power minus 1 multiplied to get the answer minus 14 to the power minus 1. Okay. Now you are knowing it is asking by what number this to get multiplied. It means this is unknown, and which is unknown can be written as x. Okay. Now we have found this statement which we were asked. So what I am taking as, this is in multiply and we want the value of x. So x को यही रहने देते हैं. And when we are doing the transfer of this remaining next number, so this is division minus 7 to the power minus 1. You are knowing it was in multiply, it will go and divide. Now you are knowing power is again negative, and when the power is negative, we can make it positive by having the reciprocal. So it will give you 1 by minus 14. This division is division only, and this will give you 1 by minus 7. And you are knowing we have rational numbers and rational number in the division form. So whenever we have this kind of condition, we can simply have the reciprocal of the next number to have the multiplication. It will give you minus 7 now. Okay. So this minus got cancelled. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, and the answer is coming 1 by 2. Okay. So this is the answer for this particular question. Answer is 1 by 2 get multiplied to get the answer minus 14 to the power minus 1. Now move on to the next question, which is similar to this question only. Question number 2. It is telling here, by what number should 1 upon 2 to the power minus 1 to be divided so that the question becomes minus 5 upon 4 to the power minus 1. Matlab this time it is asked by what number it will be divided. So यहाँ पर by what number means it is unknown. So I am keeping as x divided by, so I have written. Now what you should get? You should get minus 5 by 4 to the power minus 1. So I have written like this. Now let's solve it. Now you are knowing earlier in the question we had multiplied. So in multiplication I have transferred directly. But this time divided by x. It means it is in the form of denominator. So जब तक ये नहीं हटेगा तब तक ये आगे सॉल्व नहीं होगा। तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं, इसको हटा देते हैं। सो व्हेन यू विल रिमूव दिस, इट विल गिव यू 1 by 2 to the power minus 1 is equal to minus 5 by 4 to the power minus 1. Divide will go in multiply, x will be here now. Now you can see this question is looking just similar like the previous question. Multiply x, the number is there and this is there. Okay. So now this multiplication term will come this side in division and we will solve it. So ये हो जाएगा आपके पास 1 by 2 to the power minus 1 divided by minus 5 by 4 to the power minus 1 and x will remain here only. Now the simple process, power is negative, it will come in the form of this one reciprocal divided by, and this will have 4 by minus 5. मतलब you can have minus 4 by 5 as well. Okay, because it was minus 1 power, it means for making the power positive, you can have simply reciprocal. Now this is x. Now you can simply solve it. 2 will remain like this only. Divide will convert into multiply, and this will give you 5 by 4 in negative form. Now cancel it. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Answer is coming x is equals to minus 5 by 2. Okay, this is your answer. Fine. Now I hope it is clear. Now let's try the next question which are given in your homage. Now next question is 4 by 3 to the power minus 1 minus 1 by 4 to the power minus 1. You have to solve this. Again, a very simple question. Only you need to solve the negative power. Negative power can be solved when we have reciprocal. So it will give you 3 by 4 and the power will become positive. Negative sign will be negative sign only, and this 1 by 4 will become 4 by 1 and this power will become positive. Now you have a simple number to solve. We will have a fraction denominator which is uneven. So we will have a LCM of it. 1 and 4 ka LCM aayega 4. You will have number 3 and here you will have number now. You will divide 4, 4, 4 just 16. Okay. So now you will have simply minus 13 by 4 as answer. Okay, so the answer will be minus 13 by 4. This was the question number 4, B. Now let's try to understand question number 5. Find the value of. What it is asking, you have to simply solve 3 to the power minus 1 multiply by 4 to the power minus 1 to the power minus 1 divided by 6 to the power minus 1. Now what you need to do is again the negative powers. So when you will solve negative powers, 3 ki power minus 1 will give you 1 by 3. 4 to the power minus 4, it will give you 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 6. Now simply multiply. 1 ones are 1, 4 threes are 12 divided by 1 by 6. Now you are knowing fraction will be divided by fraction. You can simply have the reciprocal of the next number to get solved. Now 6 ones are 6 and 6 twos are 12. Answer is 1 by 2. Okay. Sorry, I think I did one mistake. What mistake? Because I have not written the power negative. Here it is, we have negative power. So same solution will be there, 1 by 12 only. And this negative power is also there. So which will give you 12. Because 1 by 12 ki power minus 1, it will give you only 12. Now division means it will have multiplication. 1 by 6 ka ban jayega beta 6. So 12 6 are 72 will be the answer. The process will remain same. Only we forgot this minus 1 sign. So this minus 1 sign we will put and then we will have a reciprocal of it. So the answer would be 72 in this case. Now next question. Question number 5B. 5b is also easy. Simply you need to see 3 to the power minus 1 plus 4 to the power minus 1 plus 5 to the power minus 1 to the power 0. So you are knowing either you want to solve it or you don't want to solve it. You are knowing this is a bracket. It means you have a base, and base can be anything. If the power is 0, you get answer as 1. ठीक है? So कुछ भी बेस हो बेटा, the answer will give you only 1. So इन सबको हटा करके जब आप solve करोगे तो answer simply आएगा कितना? 1. Now let's move on to the more challenging question. More challenging question number 6. Express the following in exponential form. We have a number minus 216 by 343. Now you are knowing 216 can be written as 6 to the power 3 and 343 can be written as 7 to the power 3. But you are knowing we have this in negative form. और यहाँ पर हमेशा याद रखो जब भी नेगेटिव पावर हमको नेगेटिव नंबर चाहिए है तो आपके साथ हमेशा ऑड नंबर ही होगा. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर आप लगा सकते हो -6 to the power 3 will give you -216 only, and नीचे नंबर आपका जो है वो पॉजिटिव है, so the answer will come as -6 by 7 to the power 3. Okay, this is A. Now what is B now? In question number B, it is telling -121 upon 169. Now this time we want 121 and 161. Both are in the form of square. तो अगर आप किसी भी नंबर का स्क्वायर करते हो नेगेटिव नंबर का तो आंसर तो पॉजिटिव आ जाता है. इसीलिए आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट नेगेटिव नंबर चाहिए हो तो हम हमेशा पावर को ऑड रखते हैं. तो यहाँ पर तो पावर इवन में आ रही है, तब आप क्या करिए माइनस को लिख दीजिए बाहर, हमें इसकी पावर से कोई मतलब नहीं है. ठीक है, सो दिस 11 and 13 we will have a form of square. क्योंकि जब आप इसको सॉल्व करोगे 121 अपॉन 169 आएगा और आपको नेगेटिव चाहिए तो नेगेटिव आप लास्ट में कॉमन लास्ट में ले सकते हैं. सो दिस क्वेश्चन इज सॉल्व नाउ. Now move on to the next question. Next question is more challenging, question number 7. What is telling here? You have to find out the value of x 2 by 3 to the power 13. Then here we have 3 by 2. The power is 8 and is equal to 2 by 3 2x minus 1. ठीक है, so simply what can we do? You can see here beta, if you will solve this kind of question you can simply see that 2 by 3, but here we have 3 by 2. So if you want to have this number as a base of 2 by 3, because we have to find out the value of x, और x तब तक सॉल्व नहीं होगा जब तक कि आपका पूरा बेस सेम नहीं होता. तो उसके लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं, 2 by 3 को ऐसे ही रहने देते हैं, -13 जैसा लिखा है as it is. Now here we will have into 2 by 3 and it will give you -8. Okay, it will give you -8. Sorry, in the question it was told -8. ठीक है, यहाँ पर दिया हुआ था -8, so it will give you now +8. ठीक है, now is equal to 2 by 3 to the power 2x minus 1. Now you can see we have all the bases same, and if you solve left hand side you will find bases same, powers are different, and in between you have a sign of multiply. It means powers will be added. It will give you -13 plus 8, which will give you here -5. Okay, -13 plus it will give you here -5. Now is equal to 2 by 3 and this is written here 2x minus 1. Now you can simply see that base are same, powers are different. and here we have the sign of equal to in between. So you will simply have comparing exponents. So what can we do? My 2x minus 1 is equal to हो जाएगा कितना? -5. और now you can simply solve it. It will give you 2x is equals to -5 plus 1, which will give you -4, and x की value आ जाएगी -4 upon 2, which will give you only -2. Okay, simply we will have the value of x as -2. Fine. Now we have completed this question also. Now let's move on to the next question. Now this is again a question which is related to find out the value of x. Question number 8. X is equal to 3 by 2 to the power 2 into 2 by 3 to the power -4. Now here we want the value of x to the power -2. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं, इस स्टेप को सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. So what we will have it, let's see, 3 into 3 and this is 2 into 2. Now we have here power in -4. अगर आपको उसको पावर पॉजिटिव बनानी है तो क्या होगा, you can have simply reciprocal. मतलब 3 जो बेस में है वो अगर न्यूमरेटर में आ जाता है तो पावर बन जाएगी पॉजिटिव and this will come down. Okay, so now you can simply see we have 3 written how many times, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, मतलब 3 की पावर 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 2 की पावर 6, मतलब simply you can have x value as 3 by 2 to the power 6. अब ये तो हो गई बेटा x की वैल्यू. नाउ वी वांट x टू द पावर -2 हमको निकालना है ना, x की पावर -2 निकालना है. तो x की पावर -2 निकालने से पहले हम x की पावर 2 निकाल लेते हैं. तो x की पावर 2 कितना हो जाएगा, 3 by 2 टू द पावर ये 6 है, एक और पावर लग जाएगी, so it will give you 3 by 2 to the power 12. ठीक है. Now we have got the value of x to the power 2. ठीक है. Now we want the value of x to the power -2. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पर चाहिए हमको x की पावर -2 की वैल्यू, तो ये भी नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. इट विल गिव यू 3 by 2 to the power -12. बिकॉज अगर x की पावर 2 इज इक्वल्स टू है 3 by 2 की पावर 12, तो नेगेटिव पावर चाहिए तो क्या हो जाएगा, बोथ द साइड यू विल हैव नेगेटिव, and both the side when you will have negative, you are knowing we can't write the power in the form of negative, you can simply have a positive one. So 2 by 3 to the power 12, this can simply give you the answer in positive power form. So the answer would be 2 by 3 to the power 12. This will be your answer. Okay, this is also finished. Now let's move on to the last question of this COMATE. It is question number 9. -4 by 5 to the power 2 into -5 by 4 to the power 2x is equal to 625 upon 256. Now in this question also you have to find out the value of simply x. So now what can we do? We can simply have, you can see here -4 by 5, -5 by 4, and this is again in the form of a normal, a complex number. तो सबसे पहले इस complex number को solve करते हैं. You can have, this is 5 to the power 4 करते हैं तब हमको ये मिलते हैं, and next number is 256, 4 की power 4 करते हैं तब हमें मिलता है. तो हम इसको simply लिख सकते हैं 5 by 4 की power 4. बट अगर आप चेक करो यहाँ पर भी नेगेटिव पावर है, ये भी नेगेटिव नंबर है, यहाँ पे भी नेगेटिव नंबर है, तो अगर हम इसमें माइनस लिख दें so there is no harm I think, because अगर हम पावर 4 करते तब भी हमको नंबर पॉजिटिव ही मिलेगा. ठीक है. So minus 5 by 4 हमने कर दिया so that I can have a equal base. Now you are knowing this is minus 5 by 4 but it is written minus 4 by 5. So अगर हम इसको same base बनाना चाहते हैं तो you will have minus 5 by 4 reciprocal of it, and then if we are doing reciprocal without being asked in the question, so we will have a normal negative power. So 2 power बन जाएगी negative power minus 2. So minus 5 by 4 negative power, then it will become this one now. So this is minus 5 by 4 to the power minus is equal to only 2x. So the power is only 2x. Now you can see we have same base all over. So सबसे पहले let us solve left hand side, which you can see same base, different power, in between have a sign of multiply. It means power can be added. So if power can be added, what can you get? 2x minus 2. 2x minus 2. No changes in the power because you have a sign of equal to in between. So powers will simply add, and you are knowing addition में कोई sign changes नहीं होता. Is equal to minus 5 by 4 to the power 4. Now again the same condition like previous we have done. Same base, different power, in between the sign of equal. So just you need to compare the exponent. और जब हम compare करेंगे exponent तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? 2x minus 2 is equal to 4. So value of 2x is equal to हो जाएगा 4 plus 2, which will give you 6. So x की value कितनी हो जाएगी बेटा? 6 by 2. Value of x you will get it as 3. Finished. Okay. Now we have an additional topic in our book, that is exponential power with fractional power. So always understand beta, जब हम fractional power solve करते हैं, so you should always remember one thing. Fractional power में जो base होता है, हमारा क्वेश्चन हमेशा उसी से रिलेटेड होता है. ठीक है? Like आपको देते हैं 27 की पावर है 4 by 3. ठीक है? What is the base here? 3. 4 by 3 का बेस क्या हुआ आपके पास? 3. या ये बोल सकते हो आप इसका डिनोमिनेटर क्या हुआ? 3. मतलब ये नंबर जिस भी फॉर्म में ब्रेक होगा उसकी पावर 3 जरूर होगी. ठीक है? सो यू आर नोइंग दैट इज ट्रू. 27 को वी कैन ब्रेक एज 3 की पावर 3. आ गया 3. नाउ 4 by 3 पहले से लगा हुआ था, so let us have this only. Now you are knowing power of power will simply have the power get multiplied, so it will give you this. Okay, power into power will multiply, है ना? So this power this with 3 and 3 will get cancelled, and here we will have only 3 की power 4. And 3 की power 4 जब आप solve करते हो, simply you will get it as 81. Fine, and a simple. Let's have one more question related to it. Suppose you have a question as 125 to the power 2 by 3. I'm taking another question now. Same thing. 125 you are knowing can be written as 5 की power 3. Now you have another power that is 2 by 3. Now you can simply see that a number having power of power, and you are knowing power of power means power will get multiplied. So this 3 will get cancelled, and we will have answer as 5 की power 2, and 5 की power 2 कितना होता है? 25. Finished. Let's have one more question related to it. 625 to the power 1 by 4. Same question again. 625 you are knowing can be written as 5 की power 4. Now you have another power that is 1 by 4. Now you are knowing power of power will get multiplied, so it will give you like this. 4 will get cancelled, and you will simply have 5 की power 1, which will give you 5 only. Fine. So remember, whenever you have fractional powers, you can simply do these questions like this. Okay. That's all for today. We have discussed almost every question which was tough. Thank you very much, everyone.